So if you are building wealth or maintaining wealth, most likely you have invested in real estate, have real estate, and you also have a life insurance policy. If you do not have these two things, um, and you just can't get your skin in the game, I understand, but there is a way to allow your future generations to be able to do that. So if you feel like you're just not able to get into real estate, you haven't got a life insurance policy, you can leave these items to your kids. And I'm going to show you how to use life insurance to leave a legacy so that your children can be in real estate as well as have a life insurance policy. So the way you go about doing this is you need a cash building life insurance policy. So this is going to be a permanent policy. So you want to look for a permanent insurance policy. And what this does is it builds compound interest, especially while your children are young. If you purchase something like this while they're young, this is going to grow cash value over time. Okay, so you get a permanent cash building life insurance policy. It's going to have compound interest on it, which gives you cash value, which allows them to invest and purchase real estate. It's literally that simple. So if you are not able to do this for yourself, I totally understand, but do this for your children, your grandchildren. Get them a cash building policy that will allow compound interest, cash value, that allow them to invest in real estate. There's a legacy right there.